rating on the hood as superheroes, bro. I'm the best one. They all ass. They superheroes suck.
We all locked.
Yeah, we all locking. Let me fix my settings.
Oh.
Somebody just not use it. I gotta tell you that. Let's go. Come on, niggas. Oh. My fault. You'll get up, bro. You'll get up, guy. I ain't been do all that. We fighting the whole server. Every nigga you see. Every nigga you see. Kill they ass. Every single nigga in this bitch.
Hey, kill my op.
This OTB nigga name looks so familiar. I think he fought his ass once. No, you not. Your shit suck. But nah, Thor don't suck, but you make him look trash. Just stop talking. Dead ass.
He said get off. Hey, this OTB nigga talking about some get off my game.
What you feeling like, nigga? Hey, you need to keep shooting me. Yo, this street tag shit aggravating as fuck.
And I got hurt. And I got hurt.
Who killed me? Oh. Bitch. Fuck nigga.
Oh shoot.
You not safe from this ass beating, nigga.
Wait, so
That's 66 nigga pound.
we're just getting the whole server?
Yeah,
Anybody you see is on site.
where the nigga at?
Get killed. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh, shoot.
Hey, kill Draco. Oh, hey, come to the house.
I see shoot me and him.
Damn. Oh shoot.
Like AMG no though.
Oh, who's XYZ?
I ain't shoot his ass, but I shit on his ass.
That OTB nigga like a wannabe sweat, bitch.
Yeah, warehouse. Slide warehouse. They all that warehouse. I killed they ass. Dump everybody in this bitch.
I'm coming.
Stop that nigga. What part of don't stop that nigga do you not hear, nigga?
Yo, mic cut out. He not a superhero, so I mean he get fought, right?
She almost got me, I ain't gonna lie.
Kill this ace nigga.
Yeah,
No, hey, don't say that. Do not say that.
Stop him.
All right, bro. Yo, mic cut out when you said it to me. They hurt. Hey, somebody hacking on me. Who did that?
Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I just got aired.
What the fuck, bro?
OTB nigga with us.
I guess, bro. Since this nigga friend.
Didn't you just say if they ain't got a superhero costume on, they can't be with us?
Yeah, but Khalil bitching.
Yeah, but
Get his ass turned to a superhero.
oh, that's a little E-boyfriend right there. Right there. Kill that cat nigga. They ass matching in this bitch. I'm finna make sure I air both of them together. Put them both on a poster.
That's what you gotta do nowadays. Don't run, nigga. Hey. Yo, this Jacob nigga killed me. Kill Jacob. Hey, kill this nigga.
Fuck, this nigga gonna run and come back out. This nigga pussy. Oh my.
Hey, get this don't, nigga. Out of there.
They are not.
Nah, you ain't shoot on my screen. That's the other nigga. It don't matter, shit. Fuck it. He ain't in the call anyway, so he can't know.
I just butchered this shit so bad. I tried to spell, I don't know you. I spelled OPMLOWCBI.
Yeah, cause I'm trying to find him. You make it seem like going like this.
Get her over here.
Ain't no way I just
ain't gonna lie,
whiffed
her
every
inbox
fucking
is
shot, nigga.
Crazy. Yo, you got Discord? No.
It's harder than me.
This nigga got some type of hacks.
You do or no?
I'm gonna edit that shit out.
Can you drop? You don't? Oh, nah, he don't got cord, gang.
Oh, well, nah, that shit can edit it
Whose
out.
mic is that low?
Who the fuck is this? Who is dressed up as an Naruto character?
I'm gonna use my lock on you, bitch.
Right here, come houses, kill the VC kid. Somebody that isn't a superhero.
Hey, fuck is my aim at? My aim is not aiming.
Right here.
I gotta charge my headphones, bro. That's
Hey, this nigga killed me.
I guess.
I don't know how the fuck.
Oh, who's shooting at me? Okay. Oh,
Hey, start that shit.
you're free. I'm just right here. Free, bro.
Bro, I don't care, bro. Your words don't phase nobody, bro. Like, stop talking. Why your mic sound like that? But turn that off. Turn that off. Turn that off.
I'm military, bro.
Turn that off. Turn that off.
I'm military, bro. There's two niggas, two bro. Oh, bro. Three, bro.
Oh, God.
They dropped our location.
You butt.
You look stupid. You look corny.
Dude. Dudes be doing anything for a female. Hey, come military. Come put him down. Come military. Put that nigga down.
I'm gonna come spank that little nigga.
This nigga wearing. They all got military. Hey,
Maria, stomp them.
hey, y'all need
I
it.
gotta go military real quick.
That's gas. Nobody cares about your 90 pin.
I can't shoot that nigga through her, gang. They at stem, they at stem. Go stem right now, go stem. There's 3. Right there, the Nora bitch. Nice. Hey, more than pulling up right there.
Yo.
Maria, shoot the nigga. What the fuck?
They all came back.
Maria?
Like, what did she do?
For sure. Sure.
This dude trash.
That's her
Come on,
evil.
mama. How you lose
That's
that?
her evil.
Like,
Dang, she got crumbs. What the hell?
See. My oldest brother, Chris. I be on repeat.
And that cat nigga, the last one.
good lord, God.
Oh my god, y'all are so corny.
Bro, why do you keep repeating yourself, bro? Nobody cares, cuz. Like,
But this easy nigga gotta go. Give this thing. Come back.
Tell me. Never mind then.
hey, it's too many.
Bye.
You talking about too many people.
Oh, one more. Go stem, one more.
I'm coming.
We stopped up.
Who?
Ashes fall, wet and rain.
This dude got a trigger
Hey,
bot.
come still. Come still. 21.
I just got
21.
I'm coming.
What is this slime nigga doing?
Where you at?
I'm
Hey,
gonna
who's
stand
boy?
back.
Hold on. I mean,
I don't know. He jumped. He did.
Okay, thank you.
Hey,
Thank you. Bye.
shouldn't have phoned customer support.
Happy birthday.
Cam.
Might need luck.
Hey,
who
stomp him,
decided?
Anna Maria. Stomp her.
What happened?
Hey, nope. I'm low.
He talking about some stomp wars. I said, I bet.
What do you mean, I bet? We fighting so many people,
He
God.
ass. He not good.
Man,
He don't play the
you
hood.
should tell him to help. What you mean? Don't you mean, I bet?
He talking about some stomp wars. He don't play the hood. He's no player.
nigga, but don't stop him.
What you mean, ew? What's wrong with Keystone? said what?
Hey.
What? Okay.
No words.
Who is this?
No, I'm not saying happy birthday. Y'all come to school. Come kill Ace.
Hey, I'm dead. Gonna get lowered on. This is when he needed.
Where's Lord at?
He needed when he went to fight the whole server. This is the only time when he needed. Other than that, nah, cuz stay away.
Baby, I won't hurt, I won't hurt.
Hey, on God, I killed 4 of them.
Foe?
Yeah, 4. I counted. Hey, they all that military. Go there. I killed 4 there. Yo, bro.
And I said, can you
I don't want to hear from that nigga
It's
that much.
30 of them, bro.
I don't
Hey, I stoned this one
These
girl.
niggas just sitting here.
Hey, but one of them is like locking like hard.
Hey, that's the.
I dissipated the nigga. I saw him being you. That block. He did all of that.
Hey.
Without being a shift lock, nigga. No.
What the hell?
What?
Cat finna come stomp me. I hate your gay ass.
Bro, you're not good, bro. No matter if it's 20 of y'all, bro. You suck. You're aggravating. Oh God, I'm finna start flying. Let me keep dying. On my mama, I will fly.
Oh my god, that Nora bitch is one pop right there.
Hey, kill.
Shine, what the fuck you doing, Shine? Oh my fuck.
I'm finna target her. She ain't gonna see her right here.
I cannot breathe.
Wow. We need to switch positions, cause you don't know how to inject right. I'll show you how to use your hacks, cause you don't know how to use them.
I cannot play it stem unless I play on top of the roof. I'm gonna try to get to the back.
Oh, never mind.
corner
Hey, stay
if I
up there.
was on top,
Kill him.
Hey, this other nigga hacking, bro. Yeah.
Who hacking? Who hacking? Let me know. Let me know.
Hecko.
Who hacking?
He's like full blend.
Oh God, I'm finna hack. Watch. Let me try my avatar. I ain't finna lose like this. On my mama, I'm not. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Kill all they ass. Yup. Hey, go get these stumps. Get every stump at military when y'all can.
Hey, why am I flying? I'm not getting flown.
Bitch. Hey, get all these stumps. Somebody hacking? Yeah, I know somebody hacking. I know.
Yeah, I know them too.
All of them are at military.
Get these stumps on these niggas.
I'm gonna fly up on the ass and get on top of this big ass wall.
I never lose.
Flying and I'm shooting them through walls and on the top of the wall. So
Come get these stumps. Stump all they ass.
22 Joker.
Hey, go.
Come back.
I'm back.
alright, where the fuck's he at?
Sorry, it's just Nora, bitch. It's only Nora, IQUE.
And
He said, nah, I'm finna just clip this shit. You got no name. You got no name, nigga. Like, what? The clip won't matter.
Alright.
He said, what?
That nigga left.
I can't talk.
Hey, you see how I did that nigga?
Nah. Hey, that's how I win. Them niggas all got gone. I'll let they ass gone.
Be acting.
except North.
Shit, well, I'm in this shit right here. That's my win. Niggas can say I lost. I ain't fucking lose. Alright, yo, I'm in that shit. Peace out, nigga.